Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over the A&A Style 2 pop-up heads. These are the pop-up heads that kind of came after the Style 1s. A&A had the Style 1s for 9 years. They introduced those in 1985. These were introduced in 1994. These were predominantly used in the Arizona market. That's where kind of in-floor heads kind of took off. Shasta Industries used these a lot. These had multiple names to them. They had the Jet Clean, the Quick Clean, the Magna Sweep, the Turbo Cleans, and all those were different brands for different pool builders. So if you have any of those names written here on the top of your pop-up head, that literally means nothing. It means Style 2. So when you're going to purchase, make sure you just look for Style 2. If it has these 3 prongs on the top of here as well, and I'll dive in that here a little bit, but they, for some reason, I don't know why they did it, and Paramount does the same thing. They have a bunch of names for the exact same pop-up head. So again, any of those, it's a Style 2. All right, so these pop-up heads are offered in 6 different colors. There's white, black, gold, dark blue, and tan. So there's a pretty good variety of colors. Obviously nowadays, like the Gamma 4s, they have way more colors. Paramount's got a ton of colors. There's tons of colors in pop-up heads now. But for being as old as they are, offering 6 different colors is pretty cool. So Style 2, what kind of makes it different than the Style 1s, they're slimmer. So it ultimately just creates a smaller pop-up head because nobody likes looking at these big pop-up heads. And the master pools are worse, those things are like 6 inches. But these things got down to 2 3/16 of an inch. So that if you're measuring it from one side to the other, you're at 2 3/16 of an inch. And it has 3 prongs on the outside, meant for the 3-prong tool to install it and remove it. And then again, they have these, this one is actually a low flow pop-up head. And then they have a high flow pop-up head. So the high flows are meant for the floors, and the low flows, they're meant for the benches. So it's kind of weird to think about because you think you want high flow everywhere. But ultimately the low flow is so you can put more pop-up heads on one station. And so that way the heads are, the orifices are smaller, and that way they'll all pop up at once with equal distribution of pressure, and that way it all kind of gets over there. These are at 3/8 of an inch. The low flows are, and the high flows are at 7/16 of an inch. So it's got a bigger hole on it, so it's pretty clear to see the comparison of the two. Let me see if I can change this around here. Yeah, there you go. Hard to hold open. So you've got the high flow on my right hand right here and the low flow over here, so you can kind of see that one has a dramatically larger hole. So they all come with O-rings from the factory. Here, let's take it off. So this actually creates a good little seal inside here so you don't have any bypass water coming up through the collar of the pop-up head. Installing and removing them, they have the 3-prong tool. These are great. They used to be terrible. Actually, here's a good example of what it used to be. So when you take it out, it kind of just pops and falls off. So let's see if I've got no, same thing. So yeah. So if you take it, install it, you might have to go swimming, or you might have to go get your net and take out the old one. But I know that the Gamma style, the newer ones, I should clip right in with the upgrades. Yeah, so here's the upgrades, I'll dive that in a little bit. But Style 2s, there's not a really good clipping system on putting these inside and out of your pool. So you might have to go swimming to actually interchange these out. Or a good piece of double-sided sticky tape might work well. But yeah, so that's how you put them in and take them out. So these are the Style 2s. What we highly recommend is upgrading to the Gamma 2s. So the Gamma 2s here, this is your regular Gamma 2 right here. It actually has an interchangeable orifice, so you know how we were talking about the high flow and low flow? So this actually has 4 different sizes on it, and they're interchangeable. So it's just one pop-up head to change your flow, and it kind of twists and locks into place. It's got a stronger spring, a bigger spring, something that'll last a lot longer than these Style 2s did. And then they also offer the Venturi. The Venturi is a sweet pop-up head. So what it does, it allows water to be pushed out from the bottom, directed to your pool just like every other pop-up head out there. But at the same time, it has these Venturi holes in the top, so it takes the pool water on top and forces that out with the pressurized water. So it kind of doubles your pressure and doubles your surface of cleaning. Super cool. We'll have a separate video on how the Venturi works, but they're awesome. If you can do the upgrade to the Venturi Gamma 2 from the Style 2. We strongly recommend that. So, these are the Style 2 pop-up heads. They've been around for a while. They're good heads. Obviously, we recommend the retro to upgrade them to get you a better cleaning in your pool. But yeah, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.